Hello, teacher and classmate. Today I'm going to talk about the programmation with Python, one of the most popular and accessible programming language today. So, first, what is Python? Python is an interpreted programming language, which means that code is executed line by line, making it easier to find errors. Python it is known for clear and reliable syntax, making it an excellent choice for the beginners. When we start programming, typically we start with this simple line of code in Python. So if you want to say something with the console with Python, the only you need to do is write print, and then you need to put two parentheses, and after that you need to put two quotation marks. And inside of the quotation marks, you need to write what do you want to say. In this case, we want to say hello world. Then we have basic concepts. To keep progressing, it is important to become familiar with some key Python concepts. First, variables. These are containers that store data. You have three examples right here, three containers of data. And then for second, we have data types. Python handles data types such as integers, int, decimals, float, strings, str, and others. Third, we have control structure. This is allow your program to make decisions or repeat actions like if, for, and while. You have three examples right here. This is a normal code, but this is to make decisions because you write a question right here and the user, if the user say yes, or in this case, true, the code follows the way. But if the user say no, or in this case, false, the code follows this way. This is for make decisions. But if you want to repeat actions, you need to do a loop because you write your question right here, and if the user write F, false, the code follows this way and the program ends. But if the user write T, in this case true, the code follows this way. But if the user write some word words, the question repeat again. So finally, we have best practice. It is crucial to adopt good practice from the beginning because this form is easier to know what do you do. First one, we need to write a clear code and comment every function you do in your code. Second, you need to organize your code into functions to make it modular and reusable. Third, the last one, you need to test your code constantly to know it is work. Because if you do all of your code, when you try or you test your code, it's more complicated to find errors when you have all of code. But if you do a function and then you try your code, it's more comfortable to find the error, right? Finally, in conclusion, for start programming with Python is more accessible and opens the door to a world of full of possibilities. And the most important thing is to practice and not be afraid making mistakes. Remember that, right? Thank you very so much for your attention. And that's it.